Hello and welcome to the first video of the Pi Guys. Today I'll be explaining the formula for the area of a circle, which most people should know is pi r squared. So as you can see, we start off with three circles, with 4, 6 and 8 radii drawn respectively. As you can see, we have connected the points on the circumference into regular shapes, where each of these shapes are equal. To start, we find the perimeter of each of these shapes inside the circles. Let one side of the shape be A. Therefore, the perimeter of these shapes are 4A, 6A, and 8A. Therefore, we can find a formula for these shapes. The perimeter is n multiplied by A, where n is the number of sides the shape has. For the next part of the proof, let the perpendicular bisector of the triangle be the altitude of the triangle. We name this length line B. Through this, we can conclude that the area of the shape inside the circle is n multiplied by something. Given that we know that n is the number of congruent triangles in this shape, and the area of these triangles is half A times B, we can conclude that the area of these shapes is n multiplied by half A times B. However, this is only the area for each of these shapes. What we want is the area of the circle. In this case, we can define a circle as a shape with an infinite number of points on its circumference. So as n, the number of points, approaches infinity, we find that the perimeter approaches the circumference because the perimeter has an infinite number of points. As the length A shortens with each added triangle, we see that B approaches the radius as the 2 points that define the length A converge towards a point. This also means the perimeter of the shape inside the circle approaches the circumference as A grows smaller and more precise. The new area would be n times A, or the circumference, multiplied by half B, or half of the radius. As we know, the formula for the circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. You can substitute 2 pi r into our given formula, have the area equate to 2 pi r multiplied by half r. 2 and a half cancel out, leaving us with the formula that we all know and use today, pi r squared. This completes our proof for the area of a circle. Thank you guys, hope you all enjoyed it, and please don't forget to subscribe.